Chris Chinnock, Display Week 2023. This is the iZone booth where I'm looking at Sundiode. Sundiode actually won the iZone Best Innovation Award for their microLED technology. So what they've developed is a stacked microLED solution, which means they stack 3 epi layers, one on top of another. So you create a full color pixel, if you will, rather than 3 side-by-side solutions. This seems to be a big trend at the show this year, these single pixel emitters, full color emitters. So they have aluminum gallium phosphide red, then gallium nitride blue and green epi layers that are stacked one on top of each other. Now the question is, can you really get the efficiency out of that? And apparently you can, since these epi layers are very, very thin. There are very few losses because the light in each layer emits up and back, up and down. So they put a reflector on it. But those losses between layers, so let's say blue light going through red and green, are quite low, according to the company. And with reflector, then the light comes out pretty clean. Each color is controlled independently. So they have 3 anodes and a common cathode, so it's 4 contacts per device. And they can actually get a very impressive demo here, which looks like it's got a full, I think it said 102% of the DCI P3 color gamut. That's great with that kind of architecture. So what they're showing here is a first prototype. It's got 100 micron pixels, actually fairly big pixels, of course, on a 1.2 millimeter pitch. I'm sorry, 128 micron pitch, which works out to about 200 ppi. So they are working now on a 4 micron pixel size device with the same kind of architecture, which they hope will get to about 1 million nits of white. And the timing for that is Q3 of this year. The emission wavelengths, 445, 535, and 620. But because they have some limitations in the way they're driving this device, it's really hard to talk about luminance and EQE. I think those numbers will come more readily when they have the 4 micron device and can make it more comparable to other solutions out there. So let's take a look at what they're showing here. Here is their device. It's looking very nice. This is the 100 micron pixel device, looking very nice. Their little award. And here is the stacking architecture device and the P3 color gamut coverage. So very good innovation and development here in the iZone. Chris Chinnock.